Well, very much in 3D, now in its 7th spectacular year, Summer Solstice begins taking shape around this time every year. 1983 is no exception. After searching long and hard for an appropriate warehouse workshop space, the Summer Solstice crew has finally found a home. It's a little out of the way, almost to the railroad tracks on Salsipuedes, around the back of number 1 North Salsipuedes, the building which houses, among other things, California Cooperage hot tubs. I asked Celeste W, one of the SS directors, what volunteer workers, bees, should do.
They can come Monday through Thursday, 6 to 10 p.m., and Saturdays and Sundays from 1 to 6.
And you'll put them to work doing what?
Just about anything they want. They pay a $7 workshop registration fee, which gives them insurance while they're in the workshop, insurance the day of the parade, parade registration, and all the materials they could possibly want to use.
Sound is the theme of this year's parade. Participants will be urged to create unique musical instruments. The parade will reach a crescendo of sound and merriment June 18th on Cabrillo Boulevard with an after party at Palm Park. Do anything you want for a costume or parade entry as long as it is not motor-driven or accompanied by live animals or involving written words or signs. It's perfectly terrific. Find 31A North Salsipuedes Street if you can for the yearly celebration of delights that evolves here every year. As many as 50,000 people are expected to attend.